Okay, we're going to change the oil. Now I've got the bike warmed up. Pull the oil cap off. Set it down. I'll just set it up here where it don't get dirty. I'd already wiped it off so I don't drip oil all over everything. And come around here and underneath the bike, there's a hose clamp up here you loosen up, and then you pull this drain plug out. Which is fun, one-handed. And yes, there is some water in this oil because this bike sat outside. And the oil cap wasn't on it all the way. So, yeah. So, we'll drain that out. Once that drains out, then we'll come around here and pull the oil filter off. I'll put a pan under here to catch any mess, some rags, and so I don't make a mess all over the engine. I'll screw that off and put a new one on. And I'll come back when I'm ready to take that off.